as you all know, we have come to the end of the chapter. So I want to share my screen with you, telling you about the nervous tissue and the connective tissue. You are able to see on your screen, a diagram is there. A diagram is there of connective tissue and nervous tissue.
In this section, you will learn about
What is connective tissue? Connective tissue are a group of tissues that maintain the form and structure, means whatever work we have to do and whatever structural formation we are having as a human being or the animals, it is the connective tissue and it provides support to our body.
they often connect two other types of tissues.
You are able to see on your screen areolar tissue on the left side, right side adipose tissue, which we have done in the previous classes, lymph, then opposite side is blood, ligaments, cartilage, tendons, bone, and fascia. So all these parts we have fascia means facial bones, which are connected in the joints, which are present in the joints. Now, what is the meaning of collagenous? I will explain to you. Collagenous is which gives us the structural protein. Means when a body, when there is abundance of protein, so in the areolar tissue, it is made up of collagenous. Collagenous means abundant protein and elastic fibers. Elastic means which helps a body in movement. What is the function of areolar tissue? Areolar tissue fills the space inside the organs. So whatever organs are there, they are helping in movement. So it fills the space, holding them, allows to hold and helps in repairing tissue. Small problems which happen on a skin, it helps to repair it and attaches the epithelial tissue to other tissues. Epithelial tissue is the outer wall of all the tissues. So it attaches that outer wall to other tissues. So what is? Padding means separates the skin from underlying muscles. Skin and the muscles are separated so that they allow movement in a body and provide body with padding. Padding means softness. When you touch your bones, you touch your muscles also. You see the bones are hard, but they are covered with muscles to feel as softer. This is adipose tissue. So what is bone? Bone is rigid. Rigid means hard, having small pores. And it also forms the framework of the body. This we have done in smaller classes also. If a body is not having the shape or not having the bones, then we will not have the shape of the body. So it is very hard and it gives the shape to our body, animal body as well as human beings.
Body. It protects internal organs from mechanical injury.
Now what is ligament? It is very strong. Elastic means we are able to stretch it, and having fibers which are connected with the connective tissue, and it connects two bones to each other. That is ligaments. So what is tendons? You have done, it connects muscles to bones, and it is very strong and is having fibrous tissue that is also related with connective tissue. Tendons. What is cartilage? Soft bone or soft tissue. It is non-porous, not having pores, and is composed of thickened intercellular matrix. Thickened means hardened, which is hardened and having intercellular matrix. You can see on the diagram there. Spaces are there in between. Now what is fascia? Binds the animal skin, our skin, to the other underlining structures, whatever structures we are having. So it binds the skin with that structures. So that is known as fascia. This you have heard first time, I think so. This also you have done. It is having plasma and red blood cells are there, which helps to make hemoglobin, and white blood cells helps to fight with infections, and platelets are there, helps in the clotting of the blood. This we have done. So we have just revised all these things. So after seeing all these things, we will now start with our questions, very short questions which we have to do. So you please open your book, page number 184. Page number 184. Everybody is able to see on the screen. The questions are given. Just wait for a minute. Yes. So I will unmute Adya. Adya, you also unmute yourself. Yes, Adya. And I have unmuted Assis also. Assis and Adya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait for a minute. Now you are able to see the first question on the screen. Name the tissue
Yes.
responsible for movement in a body. So Adya, you please give me the answer. Which tissue helps in the movement?
Muscular.
Page number is 1 minute. Page number is, just wait for a minute. Page number is, you open page number 190, 190. Yes. Name the tissue responsible for movement in our body. Which tissue is responsible for movement?
Muscular tissue.
Very good. The tissue responsible for movement in our body is muscular tissue. Yes, the next one, please. Read the question, second question.
What does
What
a neuron look like?
Only one. Adya, you will not speak, the other one will speak, okay? You say your name, the other participant.
Ma'am, Assis.
Assis, very good. Say the question, please, Assis.
What does a neuron look like?
Neuron. What does a neuron look like? How does a neuron look like? I explain you when I've shown you the diagram of neuron.
Ma'am, it is a nerve cell consisting of a cell body.
Bache, I know it is having cell body, dendrites, but how the shape look like? I told you the shape look like a neuron look like a miniature tree. Miniature means small tree. Devjit, I'll ask you the question. Wait, she's raising her hand. So Assis, you will repeat after me. A neuron look like a miniature tree. Say the answer, Assis.
A neuron look like a miniature tree.
Looks. Does is given na? So a neuron looks like a miniature tree. Say the answer.
A neuron looks like a miniature tree.
Very good. Very good. So what I will do now, I will mute both of you so that I can unmute other participant also. Arushi, you also unmute yourself. Arushi Sharma, unmute yourself. Just give me 1 minute. Arushi, unmute yourself. Bhavika, unmute yourself. Bhavika Dubey. Yes, Bhavika, have you unmuted yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm unmuting Bhumika. Bhumika, you also unmute yourself. Bhumika Manhas. Unmute yourself. Yes, good. So just wait for a minute. Now, the third question you read. Bhumika, you read third question.
Give 3 features of cardiac muscles.
Cardiac muscle. Do you know what is cardiac muscle? The heart muscle. Okay. So what are the 3 important
Yes, ma'am.
features of cardiac muscle? Bhumika?
Cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles that contract rapidly but do not get fatigued. The cells
Yes.
of cardiac muscles are cylindrical, branched, and unicellulate. They
Uninucleate.
control
Uninucleate, bache. Uninucleate means having one nucleus. Okay.
they control the contraction and relaxation of the heart.
Relaxation of the heart. Very good. Very good. Now the other one whom I have unmuted, Bhumika, I think so.
Ma'am,
Bhumika, are
Bhavika.
you able? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavika, sorry, Bhavika. Please say the fourth question. What is the fourth question on your screen?
What are the functions of areolar tissue?
Please, do you know the answer? Yes, Vartika,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask you also. Wait a minute. What are the functions of areolar tissue? Please say the answer.
Areolar tissue holds the organs in places and attaches epithelial tissue to the other tissues.
Yes. So what is the function of areolar tissue? It fills the space inside the organs. Whatever organs are there, there is a space. So it fills that space and it supports internal tissue and helps in repair of tissue. Good. Very good. Thank you for giving the answer. I will mute you all. Then I'll share my screen. Just 1 minute. Wait a minute. Yes. You are able to see on your screen. Question is given. Name type of simple tissue. So I will unmute. 1 minute. I will unmute Shella. Bhumi Arora, I think so you have come. Bhumi, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Bhumi. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I am unmuting the participant whom I want. Bhumi Arora, unmute yourself. Where you have gone? Unmute yourself. Bhumi. Okay. Devjit, unmute yourself. Devjit, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Yes, just 1 minute. I am unmuting Adya also. Adya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Devjit, please read the first question on the screen.
Ma'am, name types of simple tissues.
Yes. What is the simple tissue? Name types of simple tissue. Which tissues are the simple tissues? We have done the starting only after meristematic tissue.
Yes,
Simple
ma'am. Ma'am, simple tissues are the tissues that are formed by the
You
meristematic
have to
tissue.
give the name. Name of the simple tissue. Parenchyma, that names. Not the meaning. You have to give name.
Ma'am, parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma.
Parenchyma. Very good. So the spelling of parenchyma, Devjit, are you able to say? Devjit, are you able to say the spelling of parenchyma?
Yes, ma'am.
Say please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, PARENCHYMA.
Yes, very good. Collenchyma.
Ma'am,
Yes.
COLLENCHYMA.
Very good. And sclerenchyma?
CLERENCHYMA.
Very good. Now the other participant, you please say the question. Next question, number 2.
Ma'am, HYMA.
Very good, Devji. Thank you. The other participant, please say your name. Whom I have unmuted. Adya, please say the next question. Read the question.
Where
first.
is apical meristem found?
Where is the apical meristem found? Yes. Because apical meristem. Yes.
It is present at the growing tips of stems and roots.
Very good. The apical meristem is found on the growing tips of the roots and stems. Very good. Thank you for giving the answer. So I am muting you. So I will give chance to others also. Just 1 minute. Now I will give chance to others. Scroll it down. Please wait. Harshit, unmute yourself. Yes.
ma'am.
Ipshita, I am unmuting you. You also unmute yourself. Ipshita, unmute yourself. Ipshita, are you listening to me? Unmute please yourself. You have to unmute. Ishpreet, unmute yourself. Okay, I have unmuted one participant. Okay, wait a minute. Harshit, I have unmuted you. And
Yes,
Prachi
ma'am.
also I have unmuted. So please, Harshit, you read the next question. Third question, which tissue? That question.
Which tissue makes up the husk of coconut?
Husk of the coconut means the outer covering, the hairy structure which you have seen. Now, this tissue is also made that. And which tissue is making that husk of the coconut? Because after that the growth will not. Very good. Because sclerenchyma tissue is the very good. Sclerenchyma tissue is the permanent tissue. After the husk of the coconut will not able to grow. That is the last stage of the coconut. So that tissue, the tissue which makes up the husk of the coconut is sclerenchyma tissue.
tissue.
Good. The other participant, Ipshita. The other participant, please say your name, whom I've unmuted. Ipshita is not there. I think so. Other participant is there. Please say your name, whom I've unmuted. Okay. Wait. Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
say the last question also, please.
Okay, ma'am. What are constituents of
Phloem. Phloem is which prepare food for the plant. So, uske constituent, which are that constituents?
ma'am? Sieve tubes,
Yes.
phloem fibers,
Yes.
and companion cells.
And phloem parenchyma also. Save tubes,
Yes, ma'am.
companion cells, phloem fiber, and the phloem
Fibers.
parenchyma. Okay, I
Yes,
will,
ma'am.
what I will do now, just 1 minute. Thank you for giving the answer. I will unmute.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I will unmute now. This Drishti, unmute yourself. Chabra, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Garima Bedi, unmute yourself. Unmute Garima. Garima, unmute yourself. So Drishti, there is disturbance, please. Why there is disturbance? You please say the constituents of phloem. Read the constituents of phloem.
Ma'am.
The constituents of phloem are,
Yes, ma'am.
say please, answer.
Ma'am, companion cells.
Yes.
Ma'am, phloem parenchyma.
Parenchyma.
Ma'am,
Yes.
phloem fibers and sieve tubes
Say please.
are the
Good.
constituents of phloem.
Very good. Phloem. Okay.
Phloem,
I'm
sorry,
muting
ma'am.
you. Okay. Thank you for giving the answer. Okay. I will unmute now. Gurbani, unmute yourself. Gurbani, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurkirat, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait a minute. I will share my screen with you. The next questions. Just wait for a while. Okay. You are able to see on the screen. Name the following. Please say the first part. Gurbani, say the first part.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the first part, bache, from the screen. Tissue that.
Tissues that forms the inner lining of our mouth.
Yes. Which tissue forms the inner lining of a mouth? We have done in the that also. Epithelium we have done in that. We have done. Yes, Harshit. Very good. You know the answer. Two participants have raised their
And
hand.
squamous epithelium.
Very good. The spelling of, can you say the spelling of squamous?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say.
SQUAMOUS.
Squamous epithelium. EPITHELIUM.
THLUM.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you for giving the answer. Disturbance is
Welcome,
more
ma'am.
in your place. I have muted you now. I will go down. I will unmute other participants. I will unmute Janveer. Unmute yourself. Unmute, yes, very good. Harsheen, wait. Unmute yourself. You unmuted and again you have. Okay. Then I am unmuting Harsheen. Harsheen, unmute yourself. Both the Harsheen, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now wait a minute. Harsheen, please say the second part, B part.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say that part.
Tissue that connects muscle to bone in humans. Tendon.
Very good. Please say the spelling of tendons.
Tendon.
Endon. Very good.
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
Harsheen, please. You also say the C part. Please say. Harsheen, I have unmuted you. I think so. The other participant, please say your name. I have unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am Janveen.
Okay, Janvi.
Tissue that transports food in plants.
Yes.
Phloem.
Phloem. Please say
Phloem.
the. Yes, we can say phloem also. Phloem also. Say the spelling.
Phloem.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. I'm muting you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I will now come to the next participants down there so that others will get the chance. Yes. Wait. Okay. I have unmuted now. I'm unmuting Vartika. Vartika, unmute yourself. Okay. And Tejasvi also, unmute yourself. Tejasvi Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, Vartika, you please see the screen
Ma'am.
and read the D part. Tissue.
Tissue that stores fat in our body.
Yes. Which tissue stores fat in a body?
Ma'am, adipose tissue.
Adipose tissue. Very good. Please say the spelling.
ADIPOSE.
Adipose tissue. Very good, Vartika. Now the other participant, say your name, please. After
Tejasvi.
Yes, Tejasvi. Read the E part.
Connective tissues with a fluid matrix.
Yes.
Blood.
Very good. Blood is a fluid, liquid part, and it is a connective tissue. So that is blood. Very good. Thank you for giving the answer. I am muting you, and I can unmute other girls also so that they're able to give me answer. One is Tejinder Singh is given there. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Then Yashika Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Then Tanisha Jambal, unmute yourself. Unmute, please. Yashika, Tanisha, where you have gone? Anisha, unmute yourself. Tanisha Jambal. Unmute, please. Okay. Vanshika, you please read the last part, F part, tissue present. Yashika, read, please. Vanshika, sorry. Vanshika, read. Yashika or Vanshika? Yashika, I think so.
Ma'am, Yashika.
Please read the F part.
Tissue present in the brain. Ma'am,
Yes.
nervous tissue.
Very good. The tissue present in the brain is the nervous tissue.
Nervous tissue.
Good, very good. Please read the 11th question now, Yashika.
Identify the type of tissue in the following.
Yes. First part is what?
Ma'am, skin.
Skin. Now in skin, which type of tissue we are having?
Epithelial tissue.
Very good, epithelial tissue. Thank you, bache. I am muting you. You gave me the answers. I will,
ma'am.
okay, I will unmute other girls also. Upasna Sharma, unmute yourself. Upasna. Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha also is not unmuting herself. Unmute yourself. Unmute. I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself. Then Sugam Sharma, unmute yourself. Sugam, unmute yourself. Yes. Okay now. Okay. Sugam, unmute yourself. Once again, unmute yourself, Sugam. Then I have unmuted one participant. Please say your name. Say your name.
Upasna.
Upasna, bache. Read the next
Yes,
part.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the next part after skin there on your screen?
Bark of tree.
Yes. For the bark of the
Protect
tree.
protective tissues.
Okay, protective tissue. Good. Then the third one is bone. Bone is
Bone.
what type of tissue?
Skeletal tissue.
No, bone.
Means
Which tissue?
connective.
Yes, connective tissue. Good.
Connective.
Okay, thank you for giving the answer. Any other participant whom I have unmuted? Sugam, I unmuted. I don't know why she is not unmuting herself. Sugam has to unmute herself. Then Sonal Rajput, unmute yourself. Sonal Rajput. Sneha Chaudhary. You people are not unmuting yourself. You have to unmute yourself. I am unmuting you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is there? Sneha is there?
Ma'am, Sonal.
Sonal, okay. Okay, Sia, you also unmute yourself. Sia?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Fine. Sonal, you please read after
Yes,
bone what is given on the screen.
Lining of kidney tubulus.
Lining of
Tubule.
kidney tubule.
Tubule.
Lining of kidney
Tubule.
tubule means tube-like structure. So, which tissue is responsible for this? You have done
Ma'am,
cuboidal, columnar, squamous, that you have read. So kidney is like tubules, na? So it is having cuboidal epithelium. What it is having?
cuboidal epithelium.
P-O-I-D-A-L, cuboidal epithelium. Good. So vascular bundle, you have studied about the movement of water and movement of food. Sonal. So when we are water is moving to different parts of the plant, which tissue is doing that? We have done two parts, xylem and phloem. So xylem is doing or phloem is doing in movement of water?
Xylem.
Xylem is doing movement of water. So we in vascular bundle we have tried both the names, xylem and phloem both.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Why disturbance is coming? I am muting you. So after this, I am unmuting. Just wait. I am muting the participants. Wait a minute because disturbance is coming. Okay. Wait. Ekamdeep, I am unmuting you. Ekamdeep, unmute yourself. 1 minute. Ekamdeep, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ekam. Now what you will do is read the question, 12th question given on your screen. Name the region. Name the regions. Please read the question, Ekam. 12th question. Not unmuted. You unmute yourself. Now you said yes, ma'am. And then you have muted yourself. Unmute yourself. Wait a minute. I will unmute the other one also. Okay. Diksha, unmute yourself. Diksha. Unmute yourself. I am able to hear you. You are saying something. Say please. Which participant is speaking? Please say your name. Prachi. Prachi, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am, I can't hear your voice.
Ekamdeep, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, Ekam. Please read the 12th question from the screen.
Name the regions in which parenchyma tissue is present.
Yes, where it is present. Do you know the answer or shall I give the answer?
Ma'am, in the pith and cortex of stem and root.
Yes, in the stems and you can write simple stems and root also. The regions in which parenchyma tissue is present is in stems and roots. Yes, good. Now read the next question, Ekamdeep. Then I will unmute other participant also. What is the?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Acha, I am saying read the 13th question. What is the role of epidermis in
What
plants?
is the role of epidermics in plants?
Okay. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, they provide protection of all parts of a plant.
Yes, because epidermis is the outer layer, na? So it is providing protection to the parts of the plant.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Vijay. I am muting you. So I will unmute now. Just wait for a minute. Gurmeet, someone name is there, Gurmeet. Unmute yourself. Gurkirat, are you unmuted?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute. Harleen, you also unmute yourself. Harleen, unmute yourself. Yes. Good. Gurkirat, please read on the
Yes,
screen.
ma'am.
Given 14th question.
How does the cork act as protective tissue?
Yes. Can you give me the answer? How cork can act as a protective tissue? You have done in the starting.
Ma'am, cell of cork are dead and compactly arranged without intercellular space. They have a chemical called semirin in their walls that makes them impervious.
They have a chemical called, please repeat that line. They have a chemical called
Siberian.
Huh? Say, I will correct you. You just say that. How does a cork act as a protective tissue? Say the answer, bachche, say.
Ma'am, cells of cork are dead, dead and compactly arranged without intercellular space.
Compactly, bachche, together.
Compactly.
Yes.
They have a chemical called siberian.
Siberian. Say, bolo. They have a
chemical called siberian.
Suberin. S-U-B-E-R-I-N. Suberin. In their walls.
In walls that makes them
impervious. Impervious means allowing the gases and the water to go up and down. Good. Other participant, I have unmuted. Thank you, bache. Other participant, one more is there whom I have unmuted. Two I have unmuted now. Another one. Okay, I will repeat the answer now. How does the cork act as a protective tissue? Cork act as a protective tissue because cells of the cork are dead and compactly arranged. Putting them together, they are arranged together without intercellular spaces. There is no gap in between them. They are tightly packed and they also have a chemical called suberin in their walls. Suberin chemical hota hai jiski wajah se they allow gases and water to come in and go out. So we have done most probably all the questions.